Hello my friends, today we're looking at new version of EA MPGO. As I told you in Telegram, I'm going to teach you how to create your own signal using your custom indicators and custom method of the signal, and today I will show you how to connect this into EA MPGO as a signal. So let's read about this. We go outside, we take a look what's in new version. We go down and we see that today is 3 of October 25, and we read that EA MPGO can read separate pair global variable as a signal. It must look like this. It must have a name, dash signal, then this down minus, I call it down minus or down slash, I don't know how to call it, period down slash, then it must say which period, again down slash, and the name of pair, and it must have a value, some value, without person, just a value. I just posted this as a person, but you can use it as signal. So let's create some custom, let's modify some custom indicator. So it must create us this stuff and update it every tick, and we will see it. So let's go to MetaTrader. Very fast I will show you. This is my code that create such global variables in dash panel. So we will use it. We just go to indicators, we go to examples. You can find in your MetaTrader standard indicators, it's called examples. You can find, for example, let's try RSI. This is standard RSI. I want to save it as like, let's make it just into indicators, but we will call it RSI GV with global variables. Okay, this will be a custom RSI with global variables. So we save standard, and here we can see what this RSI do. This RSI just calculate ExtRSIBuffer, as you can see. And the next step what we have to do is we print RSI current bar into print. This is 0 bar DoubleToString ExtRSIBuffer rates total -1. This means that the last bar is from right side, but rates total -1. That means that we took all history, but rates total -1 means a 0 bar. This is his index. This is how MetaQuotes calculated. We cannot post here 0 because we calculate from rates total, and 0 bar will be rates total -1. So let's check this and print this and see this prints how it works. We take chart and we connect our custom RSI GV into the chart, and we will see some prints. We see the prints 56, like see it's changing, and here we see the same value 56, 0, 55, 56. Let's change it a little bit. We don't need this period separation for now. So 56, yeah, see the same values is here. 57, it's printing last bar for us. And now what we can do now, we can turn off this, and now we need the code of this percent rounded percent. We don't need, I believe we need these two lines. We need these two lines. We copy them, copy, and we put them here. We put them here. We will copy this. We round that. Paste. ExtRSIBuffer rates total. Person rounded. And we need just to change signal time frame we will change to time frame period current. Period current, this is where we stay with indicator. Period current plus trading pair. The trading pair that this indicator is used, what do we see here? RSI. I believe we can post something like buffers period. There is no time frames with just buffers. This is standard RSI. And we need, how they call pair here? How we call pair? We just use symbol, I think, nothing else. They not post the name of pair, so we can say we use symbol. This is where indicator stays, symbol like this. And what we doing? We just pick up this buffer, posted it here, rounded this, normalize it, and then we create global variables %rounded like this. I believe it must work. So let's check this. We not print anymore anything else, so we go global variable, just delete this. We go again global variable. Here we can see that our RSI started to print correct for XAO USD period current, as you can see. But the period current is not so good for us. Is not so good. This is why we have to say that period current is not good. Period current. We have to enter here time frame. Period, and this will be time frame. Input enum time frame. We call it RSI time frame. Okay. Period. Period. Let's say M1, okay? M1. And what we do, we copy this. I will make some FXPIP, okay? FXPIP command. RSI time frame. And we have to change it. So I will show you this commands. So this is a custom commands. So you will understand what I added manually here in this code. So you will do it with stochastic and any other indicator. Okay, I added three lines of codes, and we have to change this RSI time frame. RSI time frame, like this. If I will do it like this, and now if I attach it my indicator to M5, as you can see, I must say I used M5. It must be the same time frame as you attach it indicator, which one must create for your global variables for your robot. Now what do we see? We have to see new variable from M5, as you can see, M5, like this. This is M5. This must be deleted, and they will not appear anymore if you check it again. So we see only this value. This is 63, as you can see, almost 70. Okay, everything works. And it changed, this global variable will change each tick, every tick. It will change, as you can see, it changed. 50, 58, 24, as you can see, change it. Each tick. And now what we can use in new version of EA MPGO, what we can do. Let's test new version. Now we have XAO USD signal in global variable that create this indicator. We can open new chart or use the same, no matter. We can open new chart, no problem. Let's use the same. We can open, let's make it levels. Let's make this levels. Delete, add new 50. Let's make this 50. We go in, find new version of the EA MPGO. There is version. I input my email. Oh yeah. Support FXPIP.1. You must enter your email, not mine. And what we say? We turn off all indicators. Here indicators. Clear vision 0. Then we say to PyRSDiff 0, RSI 0, TMA 0, PSAR 0, EMA signal 0. And the latest one is global variable. You say, I use it. It added only number 1, number 2 not works. And you say, we attach it RSI at M5. And you say global variable we pick up from M5, it must be. Time frame must be M5. And we say, sell everything that below 50. And buy everything that higher than 50, above the 50 of RSI. No matter RSI, we say about global variable. If you press OK, it must buy us only buy. See, it's only buy because RSI of more than 50. This is what we posted in set file. And we set file use this global variable, as you can see, more than 50. It's 59. This is why it's opened by. What you can else to do? What you else can do? You can else tell the robot that, for example, I wanna sell everything that below 30 and buy everything that higher than 70. This is what I can do. In next version, I will give you some two values. Like I wanna sell between two values and I wanna buy between two values. Maybe later I will do it. Just for now, I will show you how you will in future use it. Okay. So now RSI value is 60 almost. It must not open any position if I press OK. And I close this position. Now we will see no signals because we have nothing higher than 70 and not below 30. Okay, this is why no signals. Later I will give you two values for sell and two values for buy of this percentage of indicators. You can also create some global. You can create, by the way, create a bot based on this codes, a 3 line of codes. You can create a robot that calculates a couple of indicators. Then you can collect as I did, like I did this. See what I did. I calculated all indicators here 32 indicators. We started from 0 value and they added, and then it calculate total percent is like a delta divided by total. I calculated delta for all indicators, and each indicator take a part to tell us it's a sell or buy, and we calculate a percentage from that. So I use here in dash panel 32 indicators, And this was just an example of just a lone RSI, how you can inbuild these two lines in your robot that calculate global variable. And after you will create correct name of global variable, it must look like this. Here, dash signal, down slash, period, down slash M5. There must be no current. There must be two letters, two values. M and 5 or MH1 or, by the way, M30 will not work, M15 will not work. That was mistake. That was mistake. I did some mistake. Here can be time frames only with two values. That was not good. I will modify in next version, just show you example. So here you can use M1, M5, H1, M30. You cannot use H4. You can use D1. You can use some like from these time frames. I will modify it later. No problem. I will remember it. I will change it correct way. So I think I will replace it after XAO USD, and the pyre will be, but the problem if pyre will have different name, also not clear how to do it. Okay, I will think about this. Maybe I will read this. I can read between slashes, this to slash. No problem, I know how to do it. So just write M1, M5, maybe H1, and connect your signal into that. And later I will give you a chance to add different time frames. No problem. So guys, have a good profit. And by the way, here what we can do now, we delete global variable. Nobody will create this anymore. Let's turn off the EA for now. And there will be no signal because we use in set file, we use dash global variable. And what we can do, this dash panel, the latest version, also create these global variables. So let's test this. We need separate chart, and we need dash panel. There is latest version. If we press it, we need M5 time frame as a signal time frame, because in robot we posted M5 time frame is a signal time frame. We don't need this additional time frames to be created. We just need XAO USD. You can build multi-pyre, you can build one pyre, no problem. But in robot also need to create multi-pyre set, not a problem. We just need XAO USD to work it faster. Here is this is dashboard panel, and it say XAO USD today is really hard buy with some, and we must see dash signal. There is 98% from M5 time frame. I believe we have to change at M5, but no problem. In set it's also M5, and it will tell us the same. Now 93% today from dash, we have a signal from M5, and as you can see, EA MPGO already opened it and buy position. If I'll close it, EA will pick up again from global variable and open this position. This is how it works. You can test also dash panel with EA MPGO from now, but as I told you, the problem is here that in this time frame you can use only time frames that like M5, M1, M5 that have only one letter after M, okay? After H, H1, maybe day one, maybe week one, only this. Everything that between M1, M5, for example, M10, not possible. Do not use time frame that equal three number like M30, like this. You have three numbers. Only two numbers use time frames. In this case it works. Okay guys, soon I will update this and it will work with all time frames, no problem. Have a good profit. It was Alex from FXPIP.1. From day to day, we update our software in a better way. Today you saw I did more than almost 600% per 2 days with this dash panel. This is great tool. This is great tool, guys. I tested with total automatic, but I don't really like it. Maybe need to switch some parameters, like to make trading only. Hold on a second, I will show you. I traded like it's more zero. Like if it's plus, we trade in plus. If it's in minus, we trade in minus. Maybe it makes sense only trade at very high volatility of the market. Maybe it makes sense only trade here and not trade, or make sell and buy here in range and only sell when it's specific time and specific volatility, because market not need to be trade all the time. Market have a target to concentrate sell and buyers and then blow everyone, like break out and back into channel. Crazy scam today happens at XAO USD. As you can see today, they did crazy, but with such panel we can understand what we wanna do, and we see all pairs. We see all the pairs. We see all the pairs here, and index of dollar as well. We also see. Now we can see that I converted the pairs and signals. That USD always stay at second place, so you will always see that today is totally USD down, as we can see. These pairs already tell us. Only one pair right now. Only one pair is grow at USD. Other pair is USD tell us is down. This is why XAO today started to goes down, then again back to up, and see all time frames of XAO USD tell us it's uptrend. But this is Friday, this is end of the week. I would not trade in that time. Better trade like 3 hours after US open in Friday and stay away from this shit, because nothing is predictable in Friday. We only go at swaps, like this is a buy area. If you see that Friday goes up and it's little bit back, then it will start again to push you into the swap if you sell it. As you can see, I believe we will go jump again today. This is historical high here as well. We can jump again here today and update this. This is danger. And all indicators and all time frames scream us that USD down today. This is not good. If you take a look at USD, there was a good news. You also must take a look at USD when you trade. See this today, total USD down. It tried to go up, but it's very weak. It's not strong today. It's totally down. This is why all pairs tell us buy. All pairs opposite USD. USD down, let's say. If all green here and USD at second place, USD down here. Okay guys, have a good profit. I hope this video was very helpful for you. Press likes at YouTube, press likes in Telegram channel, subscribe. Let's do it. Fantastic profit with our software. You can free test our software at RoboForex, cent accounts or usual accounts, no problem, standard accounts. You can read in prices. We have also rent for different brokers. This rent is posted for this price. You can have all software. You can have one account, but you can run all software at this one account. If you need additional account, you need to buy second price. Second account will cost you another $50. But this will be a real account for other broker. But if you don't want to rent, you can run free for RoboForex. For now it will be like this, but maybe we will back normal prices for like a lifetime license and access to all products and RoboForex IB. It will be like it was in the past. But We will also stay with rent, but maybe we'll reduce the price like $30 maybe, who knows. We think about this, how to make for you better. And one more thing, I want to show you how we test this at real account, this panel. Yesterday we started to test this. Today is 3 October, yesterday is 2 October. And what do we have? We have at balance $450. This is cent account. We started from $65 at cent account, and we test this. Now we have $474 total profit. We withdrawal $100. This is what this panel can do only at XAO USD with manual trading. It really helps. Today I did withdrawal. There is $100, and I did some deposit also. Little deposit. It was just like balance, like little deposit at other accounts. There was, and this is what we did per 2 days. Imagine this. Have a good profit, guys. It was Alex from FXPIP.1. I hope it will really good video for you. So now you can connect your own signals to global variables, and you can connect this to your EA MPGO, your own signal.